How to upload CapCut videos to TikTok. So I'll be showing you everything you need to know from the best settings to the uploading process. So first thing we can do is either go and create a new video in CapCut, or you can just open up one of your existing projects. Now the most important thing is you need to come down to the bottom navigation and scroll across, and you'll see the option here on the right hand side for aspect ratio. Click on this. Now make sure this is set to 9:16, and this will ensure that your video fits the full frame when you upload it into TikTok. Now, if you have a landscape video like I do here, then you may need to select your video and just zoom in like so. Now, once you've edited your video and you're ready to upload it, just go and press export in the top right hand side. Now, after a few seconds, it will say share to TikTok. We're actually not going to click on this, and we're going to click done in the top right hand side instead. Now, if you go and open up the camera gallery on your phone, you'll see in the bottom right hand side, we can see our edited CapCut video. Now, this is ready to upload in TikTok. So all you need to do is open up TikTok on your phone. You can then click on the plus icon in the bottom navigation, click on the camera gallery in the bottom left hand side, make sure to allow access, and then select the video that you want to upload. You can then press next. Now obviously you can make any final adjustments and edits to the video in CapCut. Once you're finished, just press next. So now you can go and add a description for your video. You can also add any relevant hashtags. Click on more options at the bottom of this page. Make sure allow high quality uploads is checked like so. You can then go and press post in the bottom right hand side, and this will post the video to your TikTok account.